Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best marble run is probably one of the most captivating and educational toys available today, offering endless hours of creative fun for children and adults alike as they design, build, and experiment with gravity-defying tracks. This engaging activity not only sparks imagination but also subtly introduces fundamental concepts of physics, engineering, and problem-solving, making it a fantastic way to learn through play. Whether you're looking for a way to keep young minds occupied or seeking a nostalgic pastime for yourself, a well-chosen marble run can provide a deeply satisfying and visually stimulating experience that encourages patience, precision, and a sense of accomplishment with every successful run. Number 5. Marble Genius Marble Run Super Set. Get ready for endless fun with this dynamic ball run set. It's perfect for sparking creativity and imaginative play, making it an ideal gift for young adventurers. Bring the whole family together for exciting challenges and endless fun. This building toy fosters teamwork and problem-solving, creating memorable moments for everyone. Looking for the perfect educational gift? This set is fantastic for boosting creativity and providing hours of constructive entertainment for young minds. Encourage young minds with toys that seamlessly blend learning and play. This set supports educational growth while keeping the fun going. Enhance your building experience with our app. Get step-by-step guidance and new challenges, transforming playtime into an exciting educational game. What we like. This set offers a massive 150 translucent pieces for incredible building potential. If you're looking for a toy that combines physical construction with digital engagement, its app integration is a game-changer. This is perfect for older kids who enjoy a challenge and want to extend their play beyond the physical pieces. What people say. The water marble run is easy to assemble and the pieces fit together well. My kids love playing with the water marble run for hours, it keeps them entertained. The vibrant colors of the marble run pieces make it visually appealing for children. Number 4. COUOMOXA Marble Run Blocks Building Set. Unleash creativity with this 110-piece building set. It combines classic blocks with a dynamic marble track for endless construction fun. It's fully compatible with major brands, offering limitless customization. This set grows with your child, starting with simple shapes and progressing to complex track building. It enhances hand-eye coordination, logical thinking, and early STEM learning through engaging challenges. It's perfect for preschool, daycare, or classroom STEM activities. Encourage teamwork, sensory development, and problem-solving skills through interactive discovery play. Made from durable ABS plastic, the pieces are smooth and stackable for safe play. Children can build independently, experiencing a sense of achievement with frustration-free construction. This makes an ideal gift for birthdays or holidays. It combines motion, creativity, and STEM principles for educational entertainment that supports children's growth. What we like. This set is a fantastic choice for younger builders, designed to grow with them from ages 3 to 8. Its key differentiator is its compatibility with classic building bricks, allowing for truly unique and expansive creations. If you already have a collection of building blocks, this is the perfect way to add a dynamic marble run element to your existing toys. What people say. The water marble run is easy to assemble and the pieces fit together well. My kids love playing with this water marble run for hours, it keeps them entertained. The water marble run is made of durable plastic and seems like it will last a long time. Number 3. Meland 132 PCS Marble Run Building Toy. Introducing the Meland Marble Run, a 132-piece set designed for endless creative play. It includes translucent building pieces and both regular and glow-in-the-dark marbles for added excitement. This set encourages creativity and problem-solving skills. It comes with a guide to help little ones build, fostering patience and a sense of accomplishment. Crafted from child-friendly ABS material with smooth edges, it ensures safe play. It's designed to keep children entertained for hours, giving parents a welcome break. Perfect for children aged 3 and up, this toy promotes STEM learning through engaging play. Building together strengthens the bond between parents and children. The translucent pieces allow kids to watch the marbles travel through their creations. With multiple tower bases, they can build bigger and sturdier marble runs. Interchangeable pieces mean endless design possibilities. Kids can create unique marble tracks, developing their imagination and fine motor skills. What we like. Get ready for some nighttime fun with glow-in-the-dark marbles included in this set. The see-through translucent pieces also add a visual appeal, letting you watch the marble's journey. If you want a marble run that offers a unique visual experience and extra excitement, especially in low light, this is the one to choose. What people say. The water marble run is easy to assemble and the pieces fit together well. Kids love the different configurations and the water flow is consistent. It's a great way to encourage creativity and problem-solving skills. Number 2. MaxTronic Marble Run Toy. Introducing the MaxTronic Marble Run Toy, an exciting 110-piece STEM kit designed to spark imagination. It's the perfect way for kids to learn and play. This interactive set includes 50 building pieces and 60 marbles. Children can assemble the tracks themselves, enhancing their problem-solving skills and creativity. It's great for younger kids to learn colors and numbers, while older children can explore spatial reasoning and logical thinking with gravity-defying designs. Used in classrooms to teach STEM concepts, this toy provides hours of entertainment. It's a fantastic way to keep children engaged while freeing up parents' time. Made from solid ABS plastic, it's non-toxic, durable, and safe for little hands with smooth edges. Please supervise to prevent swallowing of marbles. Packaged in a vibrant color box, this marble run set makes an ideal birthday or holiday gift. It's perfect for parties, weekends, and any festive occasion. What we like. This set comes with a generous 60 marbles, ensuring plenty of action for your marble runs. It's designed for a wide age range, offering STEM learning opportunities for kids as young as 3 and challenging older kids with physics and design. If you're looking for a comprehensive set that provides immediate playability with lots of marbles and strong educational value, this is an excellent option. What people say. The water marble run is easy to assemble and the pieces fit together well. My kids love playing with the water marble run, it keeps them entertained for hours. The water marble run is made of durable plastic and seems like it will last a long time. Number 1. Marble Genius Waterslides and Roller Coasters 5 PCS Add-on Set. Discover the thrill of our transparent marble run pieces. Watch your marbles race through twists, turns, and drops with unparalleled visibility. These popular additions are a must-have for any marble run enthusiast. Elevate your marble runs with exciting 360-degree roller coaster loops. These add-ons seamlessly integrate with your existing tracks, providing an extra layer of fun and challenge. Get ready for an adrenaline rush as your marbles swirl through. Make a splash with our unique waterslide pieces. Experience a fast-paced, dynamic feature that changes the direction of marbles in the blink of an eye. They add challenging new paths and excitement to your runs. Our set is compatible with standard toy-size marbles, 5/8" or smaller. While no marbles are included, you can personalize your experience by using your favorite ones. This ensures a versatile and convenient setup. These marble run toys are designed for endless expansion and customization. They are compatible with Marbulous marble run sets, allowing you to build bigger and more intricate tracks with ease. Take your creations to the next level. What we like. This is an accessory set designed to supercharge your existing marble runs with thrilling new elements. It features exciting 360-degree roller coaster loops and dynamic waterslide pieces that change direction. If you already own a marble run and are looking to add a serious dose of adrenaline and new challenges, this add-on kit is perfect for taking your creations to the next level. What people say. The water marble run is easy to assemble and the pieces fit together well. It's a great toy for developing fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. The vibrant colors and smooth edges make it safe and engaging for young children. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.